Hello, this is Right Side Trader. Today is February 6, 2026, and this is my weekly market review where I'm reviewing the Russell 2000, that's IWM, on a quarterly chart, monthly chart, weekly chart, and a daily chart. This is all for educational purposes only, no trade recommendation, because as we all know, trading is risky. You can lose money at trading, so please check with your financial advisor. Please check with your significant other and make sure trading is something that is suitable for you. Let's go ahead and take a quick look at these charts and see what we see. And what a crazy week. And I'll resize that, do that. What we see on the Russell is still green, still hanging out near that top, and all still looking very bullish to me at this time. Let's go ahead and go down to this monthly chart and see what we see here. Again, we had a pretty good candle here today for the month already. We've gotten above an R1 and all on the Russell. That's this little green line that you can see in there, right in there. And we got to close above that. The Russell is hot. The Russell is still probably going to continue on up and probably kiss this R2 before the end of the month. We're looking very bullish at this time. And we're above the 910 moving average. Nothing seems like to slow this thing down. Higher lows. We still haven't gotten that higher high since last month. We made such a crazy move to the upside, then a little bit of a pullback. But that's what I see there. And let's go ahead and go down to this weekly chart and see what we see there. On this weekly chart, what I see here, let me zoom in here. We got a pretty good push down, a couple of weeks ago, and then we got this red candle with this bearish engulfing at the right location. This market did open up down here, and we did get a little pushback, but this market came screaming back up, got above pivot, and all here this week. It started out below pivot and ended up above pivot. So again, that's why I think this thing is ready to go higher now. And whatever that was going on, they're done. But we're still right here in this little range. The thing is to see if we can break out of this little range that we're in right now and see what happens and all. But that's where I see that's where we're at right now. Let me go ahead and go down to our daily chart and see what we see there and wrap this on up. On this daily chart, I'm going to just zoom in right here. Again, like I had said before, we were in this downward channel here. And going down. And today, we broke that channel. And at this green candle here. So again, that's why, again, I'm saying it looked like we're ready to go higher. And it did give us a nice picture up here that something was getting ready to happen. This evening star here, and we did get a crazy confirmation of that, with these candles back here. It couldn't get up any higher. We finally got to close below that area, and we did get a pretty good drop. It was kind of rough playing this thing, but yesterday was the day. Once we got down to on the week, the support 1 level, it was time to get out of that crap. And we had this little very little kind of like sideways action here where it zoomed on out of there. When it came down here again, these guys jumped in there again, and this thing is zoomed back to the upside. I do expect this thing to keep heading higher and we have broken out of that downward trend. We just got to wait and see what's going to happen. Are we going to get this next candle back to the upside? We will be opening above pivot. So again, that's a push, and plus what we're seeing. And we're going to have to see, can we break this top next week? And that's all I really have to share at this time. This is Right Side Trader. Hope you guys had a great week. Hope you guys have a great weekend. And I'll talk to you next week. Have a good one. Bye.